Alright guys, what is up? And today we are back in another video. And yeah guys, so let me just go ahead and start this video. So basically today I am explaining to you guys how this supply and demand strategy basically changed my life, and how supply and demand redefined my trading success. So there's actually a few of them, a trade that I actually want to share with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys the two trades that I got out of today, and I want to just talk about why you guys should be trading supply and demand if you don't already, or if you do, and a secret to supply and demand that actually has enabled me to trade way better and actually be consistent. Because number one reason why you're probably not finding setups and becoming consistently profitable in the forex market is because two things. It's usually, in my experience, it's usually a psychological thing. The problem is you, or the problem is your strategy. So in terms of your strategy, you're either you're either not following a confirmation checklist that allows you to be profitable consistently. And what I mean by confirmation checklist is basically your ability to go in on the charts every single week and execute trades from your trading plan that you have, because your trading plan should be a mechanical process. So everything should be really mechanical with your trading. So if you have a strategy, let's say step 1, go on the 1 hour time frame. Step 2, draw this box. You need to draw out or write out your strategy exactly like that in order for you to actually consistently find trades, because it helps you find trades. Because if you are mechanically operating and following a system that has steps every single day and week, what happens is that in itself right there is the ability that grants you to find setups. So if you're not following a confirmation checklist, I highly recommend to do so. And that's what allowed me to actually get my strategy in my brain. Was I started out writing my strategy, number 1, step number 2, step number 3. So for me, since most of my trading setups, I actually trade with the news. So if you don't know, supply and demand is created by smart money, and smart money are, as you know, are the ones that control the market. And smart money basically refers to the institutions or banks or large players of the market that have enough capital to actually move the market through economic events and other things like that. But to be really concise, I utilize volatile news as not just regular news, volatile news, medium and high impact volatile news, to present opportunities for me to find setups. So the first tip I have for you guys is to actually start, when you're trading supply and demand, start by trading start by trading six pairs and change them out every week. So let's say it's Monday, choose 6 pairs to trade with. And then what you're going to do is, after you have your 6 pairs, to make sure you actually find setups on those actual pairs, go on the news, whether it's Forex Factory or the economic chart, and I want you guys to actually view, and you know what, let's do it right now. I use Forex Factory and another site, but let's just use this because I mainly use Forex Factory. The first thing I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to go here on Forex Factory on the top left, where it says this little green icon under my face, right there. I want you to go and click that, and what's going to happen is it's going to allow you to filter. So you're going to want to filter your economic events by only showing you the red and orange, and that's going to only show you medium to high volatile news. And you can think of volatility, like I say in many other videos, volatility equals activity. Okay, volatility, let's just write it down. Okay, I know I'm not getting into trade yet, but this is important because these are actually the steps that allowed me to become profitable and change my trading game. So volatility equals activity. Okay, so yeah guys, write that down. Volatility equals activity, and activity activity. Fuck, hold on. Damn it. Activity. And activity equals opportunity. So if you ever have a paper, write this down. Volatility equals activity, and activity equals opportunity. So, yeah, guys. So, in order, if you're a smart money trader, supply and demand trader, smart money concepts trader, in order for us to find are these setups, we need to look for volatility. Just like on Xbox, when you go on Xbox or the PlayStation, it's not really fun unless you're playing with people online, unless you're playing by yourself, right? But when there's activity, there's opportunity, right? So you need people to actually, in the market term, to be active and show up in the market for the market to be active, so you can make money yourself. Because we're not making money off of nothing, we're making money off people. Because without people in these markets, you're not going to make money. Because the markets don't move without people, whether you're trading silver, forex, supply and demand. So, like I said, volume, if you turn on the volume indicator, volume shows you who's in control of the market. And that's why volume is a good indicator for finding your setups, okay? So for example, when there's no volume, right? When there's no volume, the market will actually move like this. So when there's no volume, the market will be like this. It'll go, it's kind of slow, right? But when there's volume, the market will be like this. Sorry, guys. I don't know why it's fucking doing that. You see how, you see the difference here? So the difference is this right picture under my face right now, sorry, this left picture is the market without volume, and this right picture is the market with volume. So when we actually have volume inside these markets, the markets move, right? And we need the markets to move so we can make profit, because we're buying and selling off of direction. And the longer direction of buying and selling, the longer our profit box is, and the longer we make money, and the most money we make. So that's why volume creates the most movement, and volatility is what births and it's the mother of volume. Because if there was no news or any economic events or anything happening, then there would be no volume or volatility. There would be no volatility or volume. So, like I said before, let's say you're waiting for the US dollar news to come out, right? And I will show you guys an actual example now. So I want to show you guys my trade on Euro JPY I took today. So the only reason I got into this trade today, sorry guys, hold on a second. Did it just delete? Did my thing delete? I think it deleted. Did I really change it? Hold on a second, guys. Alright, whatever, it doesn't matter because I posted it in the Discord with everybody in it earlier. So, yeah, I probably exit out the charts or cleared the charts. I don't know why. That's because I never usually do that, so that is a little bit weird. But yeah, let's go ahead and I want to show you guys something. So, where is that fucking trade that I took? Oh, that's because it was a while ago. Okay, it wasn't a while ago. It was just the day before, yesterday. Yeah, this was yesterday. Okay, that's why we couldn't find the trade, because I deleted it. Okay, so yesterday, here's what my trade looked like for supply and demand. So I was trading Euro JPY for leaning towards the Japan side. So I actually went on Forex Factory and the other site, and yesterday we had Japan news during Asian session, right? So the only reason I was trading Euro JPY was because I was actually trading Euro JPY during Asian session, because I was expecting movement during Asian session for this currency pair, since there's Japanese yen in it. And what happened was I was correct. This is the trade before the news event that happened yesterday. And you can see on the bottom there, you see those little wicks at the bottom, those tiny little wicks that's tapping into my gray box right there. So basically those are doji candles letting you know that there's reversal happening soon. And after that, we had, at this last wick, we had the price push up, breaking that little structure right there. And once price pushed up, we had volume, which is, you can't see because I didn't have it on the chart because I didn't have the indicator on. But we had demand because of that push up. And also I had market structure / the trend, my bias already on a higher time frame. I did my market structure, my trend, and everything. And so let me show you what happened after. All right, so this is what happened after EURJPY, and so yeah, this is the same trade just on a different time frame. This is on the 5 minute. The screenshot you saw before was on the 15 minute. So guys, yeah, I literally all I did was enter on it. I entered right there, and I took profit. If you're wondering where I took profit at, that TP is actually a supply zone. So my take profits sometimes are supply zone. So that's actually a good way you can start. So if you don't know where to take profit for your trades, target other supply zones or other demand zones if you're blah blah blah. You know, if you're buying or selling. But yeah, guys, again, this is free. This is a free Discord that you guys can all join. I don't charging you for anything. I do have paid services if you guys want. If you guys are taking this seriously, I have a personal coaching, which is one-on-one, where I go on the carts with you every week, one-on-one, and I show you guys the strategy that literally works for me to find setups like I just showed you every single week. And all I'm doing is just showing you my unique mechanism. There are tons of YouTubers out there, yeah. You can binge watch my free YouTube channel. You can do whatever you want. But all I'm doing to help you guys and to make your trading journey faster is by removing you, piecing together all of this information, trying to figure out my personal setup. And my personal trading strategy is not a secret, okay? It's not a secret. There's no secret strategy. There's just a preferred way that we all trade as traders, and I have my own preferred way, and I'm simply selling you guys my time to do that with you one-on-one. And I don't have coaching. I don't have a course. I have coaching, and I do have private videos I'm gonna make. But yeah. So I have that, and I also have an ebook with 40 that I literally wrote out. It's 49 pages long, and that ebook has visual examples that explains more in depth of institutional concepts, supply and demand, and things like that. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. It will be in the description. Or if you're watching a reel, join the free group chat. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video. Actually, no, wait, should I end the video here? Oh, I feel like something's missing. No, yeah, let me just explain something to you guys real quick before I end this video. So, yeah, so I want you guys to see this. So these supply and demand zones I trade, for me, they're called imbalance gaps. So they're similar to fair value gaps if you trade other ICT things like that. And yeah, so yeah, so imbalance gaps, which are these gaps. And then before you read this, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So remember when I was on EURJPY in the Discord, and then I had the yeah, so that's the EURJPY. And to find my entries are called some of my entries are called gaps. That's one out of the other 3 entries that I take are gaps. They're called imbalance gaps or fair value gaps. And so they look like what you just saw, where you saw me enter. And yeah, so they basically occur when there is aggressive buying or selling pressure, usually due to institutional traders, aka smart money, entering the market with significant volume. These results are in. All right, so this results in a strong impulse moving up or down depending on the news, because that's what fuels the market to move down in the forex market, or if it's in the futures market, that too, but also other microeconomic events. And a gap between price levels indicates that orders on the opposite side were left unfilled. So to fill orders, smart money will come back down, and that's what a retracement is. Recorrect itself for us to actually get these types of trades. But yeah, guys, you guys can actually screenshot this too. I'm kind of rushing this video because I have another one to make, but I'm actually going to end it literally right now. But yeah, I hope this video was insightful to you guys. You guys found some information out of this, and I know it was simple, but that's how I rock. I do simple trading, simple strategy. Learn what you learned today, even though it seems like it's not a big deal. Write that down, and we're gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna do another video. I make videos every single day. And yeah, guys, like I said, join the free Discord if you have any questions and you want to connect with me. I'm also doing a holiday discount. So right now, I'm until Christmas is over, you guys get my coaching, which is usually $100, which isn't expensive at all. You guys get it for literally 30 bucks. And I know that's dramatic and like, wow, but I literally did that on purpose. It's literally only 30 bucks until December 25th. So you guys have until December 25th to get that one-on-one coaching, and we basically are going to be going on the charts every week, and I'm going to be giving you homework. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know. If you're not, there's plenty of free YouTube videos I have in the Discord on my channel. So much content for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and peace.